do another unpackaging and open it up with the Icon by Harbor Freight, as you've seen me use in some other videos. Just, you know, testing it out. I think it's finally starting to wear a little bit. All right, what do we have here? Well, of course, I already know what we have here. This is the Fang by Kellam knives. I used to have a Wolverine, loved it, wish I didn't sell it. I saw We All Juggle Knives do a review on the Slasher, and I was like, man, I gotta get a Slasher. But then I was like, you know what, I missed my Wolverine. And then I was like, well, back and forth between two, almost bought them both. Ended up with the Fang somewhere in the middle. This is by Kellam. Here we go. The Fang. Had a little marking on the back, but I don't know if that's from shipping, that's from storage. I don't know if you could see it. It's got, I don't know, some spots on it. Maybe let's rotate. There, I don't know if you can see it. But like, yeah, I think like those spots, I think that's just from, I don't know, fibers or something from storage. But let's run over the specs real quick. Alright, so Kellam says it's a 4.7 inch carbon steel blade with SBT technology. Don't know what that means. Don't know the exact steel this uses. I've seen some places, I think, said 80 CRV2. I think another one said like 1 CRMOV something. I don't know. If you know the steel they use, especially on the Fang, please let me know down below. It is 1 inch wide from the spine to the blade. It's got a 1/8 inch spine, 4.75 inch curly birch, stained curly birch handle, which feels absolutely velvety and amazing. It weighs in at 5 ounces, and so it'd be about 9.5 inches or so overall. And of course, you have this traditional kind of style leather sheath with that fun little hook there that I don't think is actually useful for anything, but it's unique looking. And oops, get that in there right. Fits in there very snug. Yeah, you can't hear a thing on it. Let's go ahead, test the paper. Yep, with my cheat notes on there. This is kind of beefier than the Wolverine I had. Oh gosh, you see that? Wow. And now we got some wind kicking up. A little bit of breeze. Wow, look at that. Let's see if I can go through the whole thing. Ready? I tore it. That didn't work. I think I tore it because the wind blew it a little bit. I don't know. Slow-mo it, let me know. Yeah, this isn't going to work. That breeze is... Just as soon as I start doing the paper test, the breeze starts kicking up. Bad technique that time. The spine, yeah, maybe a little crisp. Might be able to strike a ferro rod. Let's find out. Well, maybe not. Oh, maybe, yeah, look at that. Surprising. Didn't think it would. It would. Alright, let's do some wood test on it. Okay, let's just do some easy, I don't know if you want to call them curls, or I don't know what you want to call it. I guess they're curls. Not really making a feather stick. Golly, that's just falling apart. Push cuts, I guess you could call these. I don't know. Push curls. He's making them, but I think what's happening is I'm kind of getting caught in the bark here, and so that's kind of throwing it off, or just bad technique. Maybe I'm bad and I should just get good. Yeah, it's probably just me being bad. I just need to get good. Okay, let's try a bigger stick. Ow. I don't know what grind this is. I'm gonna get, well, it doesn't look like quite like a Scandi. I'm trying this a new way. Typically I don't do it this way, but yeah, we've got some curls. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, I wasn't really planning to chop with this, but why not? It does have a little heft to it, so let's see how it does. Yeah, okay. Jumping out a little notch there. Cool. Alright, so that was my quick run through of the Kellam Fang. Yeah, feels great in the hand. I just love this curly birch feel. Yeah, pretty sharp out of the box. I think it's, yeah, make a pretty good woods knife. I'm not going to baton with it. It's not a full tang. It's pinned over, so yeah, I'm not going to baton with it if I can help it, you know. But yeah, pretty sharp out of the box. Surprised that it could strike the ferro rod. That really caught me off guard. But yeah, does pretty well. A little heavier, a little beefier than the Wolverine. I guess I kind of expected it, but then also I was kind of disappointed that it is. But that's okay. Still a great looking knife, great feeling knife. Maybe I should still get a Wolverine and a slasher. Or is it slicer? Slicer, slasher, I don't remember. But still, you know, nice brass guard, good fit and finish. It's pretty good. So yeah, if I was to give it a rating, maybe I'll start giving nice ratings. 1 out of 10. Yeah, I don't know. 6.75. You know, pretty good. Not the best. Still pretty good though for what it does and for the price. Anyway, get outside, enjoy life, stay hydrated. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.